Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Eighth and Capricorn, your personal current feelings and actions for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn, your personal current feelings right now towards you. So let's see your personal current feelings. Silence, the star, breakthrough, and inner voice. High priestess, breakthrough, justice. I think there is some separation for some there is less communication, but they are hoping this connection because they love you, because the star is hope. Aquarius, your person could be inner voice, they're trusting their intuition this time. Justice, definitely they want a reconciliation with you, they're thinking to reconcile with you. So the near future actions towards you, Capricorn, your person near future actions towards you. Silence, I think they are maintaining silence, there is less communication or no communication between both of you. The Fool, yes, your person want new beginning with you, they want to take leap of faith. Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. Wow, Six of Wands. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely your person wants success with you, and they want a brand new beginning with you. They want to take leap of faith this time, and yes, they will make move towards you because they want success with you. You are their wish fulfillment. So let's pull some cards from universe. Definitely they will come towards you for reconciliation. For those who are in separation, for those who are not in separation, definitely your love life going to be next level. So from universe, Death, yes, your person undergo some transformation. Your person could be Scorpio also. Queen of Wands, lot of readings got this card, Queen of Wands. Ten of Wands, yes, your person right now feeling very burdened due to some reasons, could be work related or could be this relation, but they undergo some transformation. After transformation they will come towards you and they want to take leap of faith. Playfulness, Knight of Wands, definitely they want to come towards you. And want to offer stability to you and brand new beginning. The Fool is here, so maybe it could be take some time because Death is here, transformation, and the Ten of Wands feeling very burdened, so it will take time. Patience is needed in this connection, but lot of passion is there between both of you. Definitely your person want to commit to you, so they are thinking to come towards you and offer this commitment to you and want a brand new beginning with you. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.